Welcome to Oxford Heirlooms. I'm at my old Singer sewing machine today with my vintage buttonhole attachment because I've decided I'm going to go ahead and make my buttonholes on the back of the garment before I put the neckband on here and before I construct the rest of the garment. And the reason I do that is the fabric will lay flatter right now. Now I'm going to click my buttonhole attachments to where it's at the very back or top of the buttonhole. I've already done 2 buttonholes back here, but I'm going to line up the edge of the placket with the edge of the presser foot of the buttonhole attachment, lower my needle so that I'm going right in the blue line that I made. And then I'm going to begin to create buttonholes. If you've never seen me use this vintage buttonholer before, I love it because it makes perfectly exact size buttonholes each time because it has a little template inside the machine that looks like this. And there's a series of gears that it follows the path, and each buttonhole size has its own size template. And just to kind of be honest, my newer sewing machine has a buttonhole foot attachment, but when I'm sewing with these tiny 3/8 and 1/4 inch buttons, the buttons fall out of the buttonhole foot, and that is problematic. Okay, so let me click it back to the back again, make another buttonhole, line it up on the edge, lower the needle to make sure I'm in the blue line. So I'm starting where I want to start, and then just proceed to sew another buttonhole. These buttonholes are so pretty. And like I said, they are exactly the same size each. And since it's a vintage buttonholer, you know, I just kind of like the look of a vintage buttonhole on what will hopefully one day be an heirloom and vintage garment. Okay, let me line that up, drop my needle, and sew my last buttonhole. Here. Okay, so now I've got 5 perfectly lovely buttonholes along the right or along the left back side of my garment. So in the next video, what I'm going to do is along the neckline, I'm going to create a little entredot and gathered neck band to sew on. But in this video, what I was doing was I was sewing the buttonholes. I need to kind of attack this with my little water bottle filled with distilled water to get rid of those blue marks, but I'll take care of that a little bit later. Okay, thank you.